When you click the Receive Money icon, the sales receipt window will open up. First, you have to choose which account the money went into. In this case, the money went into the PayPal account. The class determines which house the customer stayed at. Let us imagine that this lady stayed at Chauncey. Okay? Now, the name of the customer, if the customer stayed before and you recorded them into QuickBooks, you just have to choose their name. If they never stayed with you before, then the way to put their name more efficiently would be simply to go to the PayPal window, highlight the name, right-click copy, go back to QuickBooks, click in the name field, right-click paste. On your keyboard on the left side, push the Tab key, and QuickBooks will ask you, do you want to quickly add this customer to the customer list? And we will click Quick Add. So we have which account, we have the house that she stayed in, and we have her name. Right now, the payment method is the same as the bank account. How did we get paid? We got paid through PayPal. Notice PayPal put the QuickBooks put the correct date. Now, what do we have to do? Well, the item is how she found out about us. If we can imagine that this is a customer who found out about us from Craigslist, we will choose Craigslist from the list. Let us imagine, now we choose Craigslist from the list. Leave quantity and rate blank for the beginning and just put the amount. The amount is the amount she actually paid, which is $285. We're going to copy that and paste that into the amount field. Excuse me, let's do it again. Paste $285. If you want to put the quantity of the number of nights that she stayed, QuickBooks will calculate the rate per night for you. The only thing we know for sure is that she paid us $285. Seems to me that that was for 5 nights. So if I push Tab, and maybe sometimes you have to paste it twice to double check, QuickBooks will divide the rate. This lady paid $57 a night. Be very careful to make sure the numbers are make sure the amount is correct regardless of rate or quantity. Now, that's it. That's usually what we have to do if there's no fee. If there is a PayPal fee, and in this case there is a PayPal fee of $8.57, you must put that into the sales receipt window as a minus before the number. So on the next line, choose PayPal fee. Don't worry about this message. Click OK. The next line of the same transaction, put right here, and then put the amount. Make sure you put a minus sign. Then right-click to paste the amount. So she gave us $285, and PayPal took out, subtracted minus for the PayPal fee, $8.57. Now, $267.43 is the real amount that your PayPal account increased. So this is how you fill out the information. Wait a minute. Don't forget the unique transaction number. The unique transaction number is up here, transaction ID. Highlight this big messy number and click copy. Come back and put it in the check number field. Paste. Save and close. Now we have the account it's coming from, the house that the person stayed, the name of the person, the method that she paid. Remember, the item is the way that you got this customer, and the PayPal fee comes under as a negative number. Save and close, and that's how you record every time you get money from a customer. And now after we record the receipt, we can see that the Chauncey Street income has increased and the Craigslist income has increased as well. If you double-click the Craigslist income in the column for Chauncey, you can see that this is the receipt that we just recorded. When we double-click, we can see this is the receipt we recorded. We recorded it into Chauncey, and she stayed at Chauncey, and we found her through Craigslist, and that's the reason why both your Craigslist income increased as well as your Chauncey Street income increased.